must be wiser than the king. The end is near.
I told you before, I'm not interested in this nonsense.
Then I've wasted my time here.
You can show yourself now, Jaina. He's gone.
I'm sorry for eavesdropping, Master, but
It's your inquisitive nature that I've come to rely on, child. That crazed fool's convinced that the world is about to end.
I've heard the rumors of the plague spreading throughout the Northlands. Do you truly believe that the plague is magical in nature?
It's a strong possibility. That's why I need you to travel there and investigate the matter. I've arranged for a special envoy to assist you.
Yes, Master. I'll do my best.
I know you will, child. Farewell.
Prince Arthas, we've been waiting here for hours. Are you sure this friend of yours is coming?
I'm sure. Jaina usually runs a little late.
We must help her!
Stay your play, Captain. She can take care of herself. Gentlemen, meet Miss Jaina Proudmoore, special agent to the Kirin Tor, and one of the most talented sorceresses in the land. Looks like you haven't lost your touch. It's good to see you again, Jaina.
You too, Arthas. It's been a while since a prince escorted me anywhere.
Yes, it has. Well, I guess we should get underway.
Our sources believe the plague originated in the region north of here. We should check out the villages along the King's Road.
The light is my strength. For honor.
Prince Arthas, there's something amiss at the bridge ahead. Look,
sound
it's
plan.
Prince Arthas.
Certainly.
Milord, someone has destroyed the bridge from the far side of the river. There is another way to cross, but it is not as safe as it used to be.
For honor. Of course. For honor.
Slaughter them all.
Bandits, run!
A sound plan.
Sack the town.
Save us!
Is there danger?
You are past redemption. Justice is come. Feel my wrath. Betrayer of the light. You are past redemption.
I'm here to help.
Betrayer of the light.
I am ready. A sound plan. I'm here to help. For honor. Justice shall be done.
Oh, thanks so much. I have a reward for you.
Is there danger? Of course. I'm here to help.
Milord, there is an ancient fountain shrine nearby. Legends say that its holy waters can restore health and heal grievous wounds.
That could prove to be useful indeed. Of course. Foul. Certainly. A sound plan. For honor.
You are past redemption.
Of course. A sound plan. Certainly.
Betrayer of the light. Feel my wrath. You are past redemption.
For honor. Certainly. For honor. Certainly. A sound plan.
Foul knave.
For honor. Certainly. A sound plan. For honor. Of course. A sound plan. Of course. Certainly. Of course. Justice shall be done. For my father, the king.
Betrayer of the light.
Certainly. I'm here to help. A sound plan.
How may I say? Foul beast!
What do you
The
need?
light is my strength. Foul name.
What is your will? Foul beast!
Justice shall be done. Certainly. For honor. Of course. A sound plan. For honor.
Lock your shields and defend yourselves. Their arrows won't get through.
Skeletons? Slay them all immediately.
That's curious.
I'm here to help. I stand for the light. For honor. Justice shall be done. Certainly. I stand for the light. What were those creatures, Sergeant?
Undead, my lord. This whole village has gone mad. We did our best to defend the villagers, but
We'll get to the bottom of this. I stand for the light. A sound plan. For honor. Certainly. A sound plan. For honor. Of course. For honor. A sound plan.
yes, my liege.
What's the plan?
I'm here to help. The light is my strength.
Yes, my liege. To
Justice shall be done. Certainly.
betrayer of the light.
For honor. Certainly.
Of course. Attack!
This must be the shrine that the old man spoke of. Any man who drinks from these light-blessed waters will be healed. Stand for the light. A sound plan. For honor. Certainly. A sound plan.
Sounds good.
For honor.
It's as if the land around that granary is dying.
Could the grain itself be plagued?
Let's hope not. Those crates bear the regional seal of Anderholm, the distribution center for the northern boroughs. If this grain can spread the plague, there's no telling how many villages might be affected.
For my father, the king. Certainly. A sound plan.
You are past command orders. To arms!
Is there danger? Foul knave.
Betrayer of the light.
Of course. For honor. A sound plan. For my father, the king. My honor. Certainly.
Foul beast!
Yes, my liege.
Of course. I stand for the light. Certainly. For honor.
Feel my wrath.
Certainly. A sound plan. Certainly. Of course. For honor. A sound plan. Certainly.
Greetings. We are priests from Quel'Thalas. We've come to help heal the land of this strange curse.
As always, the generosity of the elves is greatly appreciated.
You should know that there is a granary warehouse at the far end of this village. This evil blight may be evident there as well.
We'll check it out. Certainly. Of course. For Lordaeron, I'll do my best. Foul beast!
The hell are you men shooting at?
We're blasting those damn skeletons, sir. This whole flaming village is crawling with them.
Well, I could use your help. We've got a warehouse to destroy at the end of town.
Let's get to fighting.
A sound plan. Is there danger? I'm here to help.
Let's get to fighting.
Is there danger? I'm here to help. Of course. The light is my strength. I stand for the light. Certainly.
Yes, my friend.
I'm here to help. For honor. Certainly.
Betrayer of the light.
Foul beast! Is there danger? A sound plan. I stand for the light. Is there danger? Certainly. Justice shall be done.
I'm trying to think.
Of course. For honor. A sound plan. For honor. Certainly. A sound plan.
We've been discovered, my brothers. Flee and continue with the operation. I'm sorry I can't stay and chat, but duty calls.
That creature looks like it was sewn together from different corpses.
Let's study it after we kill it, okay? Certainly. For my father, the king.
Betrayer of the light.
Foul.
Show us a target.
Is there danger? A sound plan.
You are past redemption.
Certainly destroy that warehouse.
Now.
I'm here to help. Justice shall be done. A sound plan. For honor. Certainly. For honor.
Feel my wrath.
I'm here to help.
What is your wish?
What was that? And who is that wizard dressed in black?
I believe that the robed man was a necromancer. Obviously, he and his lackeys are behind this plague.
Well, it's a good bet we'll find him and the answers we're looking for in Anderhall.